Hello, in this video I will show how we can ignore empty lookup values in Excel while using Vlookup in Excel. Okay, so you can see I have a table here. Okay, now I want to look up the salary of agents. Okay, so here is the agent name is Poonam Sharma. So let me show how we can get this done. Okay. See, so the salary of Poonam Sharma is 5,600. Okay. Now if we put it blank, it goes blank. Okay. If I put, let's say, Sonia Shenoy, it goes 0 because it has no salary. Let's say if I put Abhishek Porwal, okay, then it gives a salary of 8950. But if I put it blank, it goes blank. Okay, so that was the formula. Let me show it. So this is the formula which I have used here. Okay.